Good morning and a very warm welcome to dear students of Patanjali Rishikul. Today we are going to study about simple tenses, present, past and future. Let us learn about simple tenses. Remember, in simple tenses, the verbs simply indicate an action in the present, past or future. The simple present tense resembles the base verb, but we add s, es or ies to a base verb when the subject is in the third person singular. He, she, it. For example, I do, but he does. Or you carry the load, but she carries the load. Here we see that the base verb do and carry remain the same for first person I and second person you. But for third person he or she, we need to add es or ies to the base verb. The simple present tense is used to indicate the following. Habits. For example, he goes for a walk every day. Regular actions. For example, the cobbler mends shoes. Current situation. For example, I am unwell. General truths or facts. For example, trees give oxygen. The simple past tense is formed when we add the suffix ed to base verb. For example, the children jumped into the river. The simple past tense shows an action that happened in the past and is over now. For example, he worked in Dubai last year. It is also used to talk about a past habit. For example, he exercised every day. Irregular verbs do not add ed, they take different forms. For example, he ran last night. The simple future tense is formed by adding will or shall before the base verb. For example, I will watch television after I complete my homework. The simple future tense shows an action that will happen sometime in the future. For example, I will be in grade 5 next year. Remember, simple present and simple past tenses do not have helping verbs. We use singular verbs such as is, was, washes, knows, etc. with singular subject. For example, she knows it. We use plural verbs such as are, were, wash, know, etc. with plural subjects. For example, they know it. We can form negative sentences and questions using verbs in simple tenses. For example, he does not exercise every day. Will we reach on time? Thank you, children, and have a nice day.